Shri Jagannath Ashtakam, written by our revered Shripad Adi Shankaracharya Bhagavan, and it was lovingly sang by our Prananath Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev during Jagannath Rath Yatra. कदाचित् कालिन्दी तटविपिन सङ्गीत कवरो मुदाभीरी नारी वदन कमलास्वाद मधुप रमा शंभु ब्रह्मामरपति गणेशार्चित पदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे भुजे सव्ये वेणुं शिरसि शिखिपिच्छं कटितटे दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचरकटाक्षं विदधते सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावनवसति लीलापरिचयो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे महाम्भोधेस्तीरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसन् प्रासादान्तः सहज बलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्थः सकल सुरसेवावसरदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे कृपा पारावारः सजल जलद श्रेणी रुचिरो रमावाणी रामः स्फुरदमलपङ्केरुहमुखः सुरेन्द्रैराराध्यः श्रुतिगणशिखागीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे रथारूढो गच्छन् पथि मिलितभूदेवपटलै स्तुति प्रादुर्भावम् प्रतिपदमुपाकर्ण्य सदयः दया सिन्धुर्बन्धुः सकल जगतां सिन्धुसुतया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे. This is Lakshmi Sindhu Sutaya, but she is called Shri. And in this verse number 6, it is Jaya Shri, Srimati Radharani. Hari Bol. Param Brahma Pidaha Kuvalayadalotphulla Nayano Nivasi Niladro Nihita Charano Nanta Shirasi Rasanandi Radha Sarasavapura Lingana Sukho रसानंदी राधा सरसवपुरालिंगन सुखो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे. We read translation of these two verses. As Sri Jagannath Dev travels along the road mounted upon his chariot, today's Rath Yatra Mahotsav, Sri Jagannath Swami, Sri Jagannath Dev is met at every step, Pratipadam, at every step by throngs of Brahmanas who sing his praises. Upon hearing them, Sadayaha, Sri Jagannath Dev bestows mercy upon them. He is an ocean of mercy, Daya Sindhu, and the true friend of all the worlds, Sakala Jagatam Bandhu. May Sri Jagannath Dev, Sri Jagannath Swami, accompanied by Lakshmi Devi, Sindhu Sudaya, the daughter of the ocean, because Lakshmi Devi appeared from the Sagar Manthan, kindly enter the pathway of my vision. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Pathakami Bhavatume. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is the original Jamai Raja. Have you heard the term Jamai Raja? You know why Lord Vishnu is the original Jamai Raja? Because he is Kshirodakashai Vishnu. He is Garbhodakashai Vishnu. He is Karanodakashai Vishnu. He always sleeps on different oceans. Karana Sagar, Garbhodaka Sagar, Kshira Sagar. And his wife is Sindhu Sutaya, the daughter of the ocean. So he lives in his Maika. He lives in the ocean where his wife has appeared from. So he is the original Jamai Raja. और क्या काम करते हैं? ससुराल में कुछ नहीं, ऐसे बैठे रहते। इज द ओरिजिनल जमाई राजा, हरि बोल। Only devotees have the license to. There's a verse actually like this, where Lord Vishnu is called Jamai Raja. But here is the most important verse of Jagannath Ashtakam. Oh, by the way, I have to join in 3 minutes. Rasanandi Radha Sarasa Vapur Alingana Sukho. Rasika Shekhar Krishna and Sarasa Vapu of Srimati Radharani. Sri Jagannath Dev is the crest jewel of all manifestation of the Supreme Absolute Truth, and his eyes are like the petals of a fully blossomed lotus. Kuvalaya Dalot Phulla Nayano, lotus eyes. He resides in Nilachal, Nivasi Niladrau, Achal or Adra, Adri, same. Adri and Achala means mountain, blue mountain. He resides at Nilachal and he places his feet on the head of Sri Anantashesh Bhagwan. Charano Ananta Shirasi, being blissfully immersed in Bhakti Ras, Sri Jagannath Dev derives great happiness from embracing the rasa laden transcendental body of Srimati Radharani. May Shri Jagannath Swami kindly enter the pathway of my vision. न वै याचे राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यविभवं न याचेऽहं रम्यां सकलजनकाम्यां वरवधूं सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिना गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे. Prayer for unconditional devotional service. हरत्वं संसारं द्रुततरमसारं सुरपते हरत्वं पापानां विततिमपरां यादवपते अहो दीनेनाथे निहितचरणो निश्चितमिदं जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे. श्री जगन्नाथाष्टकं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः शुचि सर्वपाप विशुद्धात्मा विष्णुलोकं स गच्छति. श्री जगन्नाथ देव की जय, श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जी की जय.